Ecohome Insulation's exclusive Conservatory Insulation Kits. Insulate your conservatory yourself for comfortable all year round use at the fraction of the price. Uninsulated conservatories are renowned for being red hot in the summer, freezing in the winter and noisy all year round. Our multifoil insulation DIY kits are the ideal solution for you. In this brief video we will advise you the following: the difference between the Eco Kit and the Super Kit, what's included in our kits, other materials required for the project, and also where to buy and the delivery schedule of our materials. The Eco Kit for conservatories contains the EcoCore Expert multifoil insulation material, a 6-layer 15mm reflective blanket which compresses to approximately 5mm. This material is the best value multifoil when taking into account cost versus performance. This insulation is equivalent to approximately 50mm of a rigid insulation board such as Kingspan or Celotex, and out of the two materials is the slightly easier one to cut. EcoCore Expert is the most popular multifoil for conservatories. The second kit for conservatories is our Super Kit, which contains the Super Quilt multifoil insulation material. Super Quilt is a 19-layer 40mm reflective blanket which compresses to just 10mm, the highest performing certified multifoil on the market. Super Quilt is equivalent to approximately 75mm of a rigid board such as Kingspan or Celotex. In both a 15 and 30 square metre kit, apart from the insulation material, you will also receive the following: a roll of true aluminium Thermoseal foil joining tape for taping and sealing the overlaps, a heavy duty staple gun, 5,000 staples, and finally a box of 200 conservatory screws. In both of the 15 square metre kits of either Super Quilt or Eco Quilt, the roll size supplied is 1.5 metre by 10 metre, which equates to 15 square metres. If a 30 square metre kit is ordered, you will receive 2 rolls of the material. Additional materials also required for the project are usually timber battens and internal boarding. The most popular option for internal boarding is 12.5mm plasterboard or plastic cladding. Both our Eco Kits and Super Kits for conservatories can be purchased directly from Ecohome Insulation with free next working day delivery to the UK Mainland. We also have a range of other how-to videos on our website displaying the installation of these products. To check these out or to place an order today, please visit ecohome-insulation.com.